Hi, I'm Ranjeet Kaur. I'm from Syncore Properties, and we'll be doing the BRR course.
And how's it been?
It's been fantastic. It's been really good.
What have you done?
So we're doing about commercials, leasing, and BRR, crunching numbers, finding deals. It's been really good. So even if you've got an idea of BRR, like we have in the past, it's still good to learn it, relearn it, reapply it, and then put it into action.
Great. And what's your step now?
So I need to go out and find more deals in our own patch, and then go view those deals next week and put offers for every single deal, and then make it happen.
Is it like kind of overdrive to how quick you can get things moving in property?
It's all depending on you. So if you've got the time and you can put the investment in going to actually view those properties 6 a day is the aim, and then at least try and get one deal in that week.
Have you seen people make deals while you've been here?
Oh yeah, I've been making deals while I'm sitting here. So in the morning we're crunching numbers about deal sourcing fees and how it's going to work out and how it's going to work out for me and what I can do those renovations. I've been drawing out plans. I can show you all that. Yeah, I'm always on the go with people here. It's all about networking.